Baking soda and its medicinal uses. This common cooking ingredient has surprising health benefits. That white powder we use for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing can also be a powerful ally for your health. Various health issues can be addressed with baking soda, and today I'll show you 10 of them. Plus, I'll share an extra surprising benefit you might not know about. So folks, let me know in the chat or comments where in Brazil or the world you're watching from right now. I'm in Rio de Janeiro, the capital city. Where are you tuning in from? Go ahead and write it in the chat or comments section. So, Dr. João, what are the therapeutic and medicinal uses of baking soda? I've compiled the top 10 for you. If you want to know, here's what to do. Give this video a thumbs up or hit that like button, because that'll let me know you want to learn more about these medicinal benefits and uses of baking soda. Plus, you'll be helping others discover the therapeutic uses of this substance, which is so affordable and easily accessible, and as you'll see, incredibly safe to use for various everyday problems. The 10th benefit of baking soda is its ability to reduce canker sores. Folks, anyone who's had a canker sore knows how annoying they can be. They hurt, they're uncomfortable, make eating difficult, and there's hardly any treatment. If you ask how to treat a canker sore, most people say you can't. It'll heal on its own. Baking soda is interesting because it's a great ally for relieving canker sore pain, mainly due to its alkaline properties, which neutralize acids in the mouth and reduce irritation from canker sores. Using baking soda for canker sores is simple. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, then apply this paste directly onto the canker sore. The 9th benefit of baking soda, which surprised me while researching for this video, is that it may relieve rheumatoid arthritis symptoms, as it seems to reduce the autoimmune response and increase anti-inflammatory responses. This has been shown in both animals and humans. Theoretically, baking soda might have a positive effect on inflammation control, pain management, and joint stiffness reduction in rheumatoid arthritis, which are the main issues for people living with this condition. The 8th benefit is it supports kidney health. It can reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease, which is a condition that can be caused by diabetes or by high blood pressure, leading to gradual loss of kidney function, though this isn't fully established yet. Okay, folks? So we can't say with absolute certainty that baking soda will prevent progression to dialysis, for example. But the 7th benefit, one of the most well established, is bicarbonate's ability to act as an antacid, eliminating heartburn. It's effective against that burning sensation we get after eating certain foods or drinks. Bicarbonate can be a great ally because it neutralizes acids and dissolves in water, and ingested it reduces stomach acid, making reflux less bothersome. But be careful, folks. It can't be used long term, so use it only for occasional symptom relief. You need to identify and treat the root cause of this reflux. Those with high blood pressure or heart failure should be cautious with bicarbonate due to its high sodium content. The 6th benefit of bicarbonate is that it combats dry skin thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can help those with itchy skin, inflamed skin, eczema, or dermatitis. A good tip is to mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of coconut oil to make a paste. Apply this paste to your skin, let it sit for a few minutes, and gently rub it in. This paste can also help improve cracked heels. The 5th benefit of bicarbonate is that it can help fight bad breath. It's almost a miracle cure for halitosis. How can you use baking soda to combat bad breath? Folks, bad breath is a deal breaker. You can be pretty, well-dressed, have a great body, money, gorgeous hair, everything. But if you've got bad breath, it's a no-go, folks. To use baking soda against bad breath, mix a tablespoon in 100 milliliters of water and rinse 3 times daily. Goodbye, bad breath. I don't want anyone with bad breath on my channel. The 4th benefit is that it can help with insect bites, especially for those who are allergic. So if you've been bitten by an insect, mosquito, or ant, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a small amount of water to make a paste and apply it to the bite. Leave it for a few minutes to help relieve the itching. The 3rd benefit, which surprised me and I found quite interesting, is that baking soda can improve your physical performance by helping delay muscle fatigue through neutralizing lactic acid that builds up in muscles after physical activity. So, taking baking soda before exercise increases lactic acid tolerance, and it's lactic acid that causes fatigue and muscle pain. Moreover, baking soda can also increase muscle endurance. The second benefit is that it can help fight urinary tract infections by reducing urinary acidity that promotes infections. The first benefit, folks, is that baking soda is obviously a base. As we're discussing, it neutralizes acidity constantly in urine, lactic acid in muscles, and stomach acidity. So it'll also reduce blood acidity. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, for example, or fatty liver, these diseases result from your habits, choices, diet, and sedentary lifestyle, which is physical inactivity. So don't think onions will save your life if you're not doing what's really needed to improve, which is addressing the root cause. Onions, or lack thereof, aren't the real issue, folks, okay? When you change your habits, you'll improve your health, got it? If you want access to the complete guide for the world's best lifestyle, scientifically proven, I recommend reading my book, The Longevity Code, with 100 Habits to Live Past 100. To get the book, simply click the first link in the description or the pinned comment.